find someone who comprehends the language of your heart, eliminating the necessity of being burdened with the constant task of conveying the depths of your emotions, one who appreciates and values every aspect of your being, your mind, your presence, and your love, a love that is destined will discover you and hold you forever. May you find peace in the unexplored realms of the heart, where love takes on new forms and colors, and embraces the chance to encounter a love that knows no limits, for you deserve nothing less. May you come to realize your inherent worthiness and understand that you have the capacity to embrace and experience everything in goodness. May your heart find harmony with the soul, destined to be a perfect match, molded by divine hands, guided by divine purpose, and led by divine intervention. May you be filled with the joy of all joy, experiencing what it feels to be whole and paired with the very things you prayed in your darkest hour about. May the love you receive flow through every meaningful connection, enriching the lives of those who have yet to experience its profound depths. May your life be filled with beauty, supported by those who acknowledge and see you, where every experience is deeply felt and delivered. May you find someone who comprehends the language of your heart and holds it there forever and ever and ever.